KonMari my fridge. My name is Nikki Schumacher and I'm practically imperfect in every single way. In today's video, I am cleaning out my refrigerator. Let's call it KonMari my fridge. I'm also unboxing a Fitbit at the end. Okay, it's not a Fitbit, it's a knockoff Fitbit from China, and I'm liking it so far. I'll let you guys know how it goes. I will be making a video pretty soon about our debt-free journey because we got debt-free on April 2nd. Woohoo! So excited. And I have so many things that I want to share with you guys that got deleted. So stay tuned if you're interested in hearing about all of that. And yeah, without further ado, let's hop right into the video. You can see I've already started pulling out the refrigerator drawers and I am washing them. I do want to say sorry, not sorry about the hole in the elbow of my shirt. I didn't notice that till after I'd already filmed, and I wasn't going to refilm just because of that. My real life is this way. Now you can see that I am just pulling out all of the science projects and the things in my refrigerator that do not spark joy and getting rid of them. If you like these types of videos, consider subscribing. We are almost to 1,000 subscribers and I'm so excited, and we'll do something to celebrate as a community when that happens. And I am wiping down everything as I go. I'm using a non-toxic cleaner, so I really don't have to take everything out and wipe it down and then put everything back. I find that with little ones in this stage of life, I don't ever know when a job is going to get interrupted. So if I can do something as I go and be able to stop if there's an emergency or a baby that needs me, that works better. So you can see I'm wiping down and moving things aside, and that is okay because I'm using a non-toxic cleaner. Here I saw some kale that needed to be used up, so I decided to go ahead and make myself a snack of kale chips. If you are interested in that recipe, I can link it here in the cards or down below. And here is the after. It looks all shiny. All right, here I am unboxing something that I received for my birthday, and it is a fitness tracker, and it is from China, and I was completely confused at first by the directions, but so far I'm loving it, and I don't know, it was really inexpensive. And I hope you find this helpful. Love you. Until next time, you're good, you're precious, grace, and peace.